Unraveling Slang. Don't be such a sap. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language. Don't be such a sap. This saying might sound a bit odd or old-fashioned to some of you, but it's packed with meaning and history. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone interested in the nuances of the language, understanding phrases like this can add depth to your communication. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it without sounding like a character from a 1940s film noir. The phrase, "Don't be such a sap," is an informal way of telling someone they're being overly naive or gullible. It suggests that the person is too trusting or doesn't see the obvious signs of deceit or manipulation in a situation. The word, sap, in this context refers to someone who lacks street smartness or is easily taken advantage of. To fully appreciate this phrase, it's helpful to know where it comes from. The word, sap, has several meanings, but in this context, it's believed to have evolved from the slang term for a simpleton, which in turn may have been derived from the idea of sap as the fluid in plants. Just as the sap is essential for the plant's nourishment but is hidden away and easily drained, a person described as a sap is seen as having vital energy or resources that can be easily siphoned off by others. While "don't be such a sap" might not be as common today as it once was, it's still used in English, particularly in American English. It's a more colorful or playful way of cautioning someone against naivety. However, because it can be seen as derogatory or offensive if used in a serious context, it's best reserved for light-hearted moments or among friends. When using this phrase, ensure the context is appropriate and the tone is friendly. Consider the relationship with the person you're addressing. It's more suited to peers or close acquaintances. Be aware of the situation. It's not appropriate for formal contexts or when speaking with someone you don't know well. To help you grasp how to use "don't be such a sap," let's look at a few examples. You believe that story? Come on, don't be such a sap. I know you want to help him, but don't be such a sap. He's just taking advantage of your kindness. They're not really giving away free phones, it's a marketing scheme. Don't be such a sap and give them your personal information. I hope this exploration of the phrase, "don't be such a sap," has been enlightening and adds a fun, expressive option to your English vocabulary. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary but also about the color and texture phrases like this add to our conversations. Until our next video, keep exploring the richness of the English language and don't be afraid to play with its more playful aspects. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.